Hi, I'm Raymond Camden, API evangelist for Foxit, and today I want to talk to you about Foxit eSign. Foxit eSign is an electronic signature solution that enables individuals and businesses to securely sign, send, and manage documents online. It streamlines the document signing process by allowing users to create legally binding e-signatures, prepare forms, and track document status in real time. Now, this is the eSign website, but once you log in, you get a very powerful dashboard that allows you to work with documents, modify them, and so forth, send them out for signing, and check on the progress of that signature uh, uh, workflow as well. Now, I have actually created a template already, and all I did was open up Microsoft Word and do a bit of typing. I uploaded that document to eSign and then just added some fields. So I've got a field for the date, a field for the name, and a field for the signature. Now, right from here, I could send this out and start a signing process. But what if I want to automate it? Well, we've got APIs for that. So this is our API reference documentation for eSign. You can go through it, but let's look at a quick example of how to make use of this. So I have got some basic Python code that's going to do two things. First, it's going to exchange the credentials I got from eSign, my client ID, my client secret, and get an access token. And you could see that method right there. And then I'm going to send that template, the one I just showed you, I'm going to send it out for signing. Now, this endpoint can get really complex in terms of how you want your flow to go. I made it as simple as possible and basically saying I'm going to send to a specific first name, last name, and email address. They are the only person signing and just send it off. So again, I've got a Python method to kind of wrap that for me and make it easier. And if we scroll down, we could see first step, exchange my credentials for an access token. That template, I got the ID from the dashboard, and then I'm just going to send it for signing. And the response is pretty complex, but I'm going to output a envelope ID from that. So we will run eSign1, and this will kick it off. And now, right now in my email, I should have bam, there we go. I have the request to sign already, and there it is. And I could click that and begin that process. But instead of that, what if I forget to sign in? Well, one of the other APIs we have is a signature reminder. So in this template, I basically copied and pasted the get access token code again. And all I'm going to say is, based on that template I just sent out to Raymond, I want you to nudge him to remind him to sign in. So I got that envelope from the first call. If I run my code again and pass the envelope, it is essentially going to send that reminder. So it is done, and in about a few seconds, actually, it's already here. I got a reminder email, basically, hey, can you please sign this? So how can you track if a person has signed or not? Well, we have yet another API. This one will get the status of a particular envelope, and this also returns a heck of a lot of information. But if we look at just the status, and we'll do it on the one that we just created, we will see that it has been shared. It's essentially waiting for me to sign it. So I'm going to copy that link and I'm going to go ahead and sign it. And when the form loads, note how, because I sent it to first and last name Raymond Camden, it just filled in the form for me. Because I have a date field, it filled it in for me. I love a form where the grunt work is done for me. All I have to do is carefully read and sign and hit finish. And now it will actually be signed. And if we go back to our code and run that same check again, we should get executed. So this is just a real small look at what's included in the API, and the whole signature process can get incredibly complex based on what your needs are. So multiple people signing it one after the other. You can have that complexity and you can automate it as well. So, have any questions? Hit us up on the forums and definitely check out the reference to see more and let me know what you find.